I've flown across oceans and landed in cities I never dreamed of visiting. But today it feels different. After years of living in Australia, my wings finally brought me back home. This is my very first duty to the Philippines, and surprisingly, my first time ever in Cebu.
Bigat. Ate, sama kami sa'yo, ate.
Oh my gosh, that was a shame. I couldn't even cross the street.
So this is very good. Wow, nakakamiss nung narinig ko. So, may taho.
Good morning, Cebu. That's the infinity pool. That's the beach.
I used to live here. Then I struggled crossing the street. Ito, ilang taon na. Azamid ako. Welcome to Dusitani Mactan, Cebu!
Hi everyone, it's Rani and welcome back to our journey. Welcome to the life of a flight attendant, and this is part 3 of my Cebu trip.
Social. Yes! Ang sarap!
As a Manila girl, I grew up in the city bustle. I never realized how much I missed the Philippine sun until I stepped onto this beach. There is a certain peace you find when the air smells like home. One of the best parts of this career is our bonding, sharing a meal after a long flight with your fellow crew, talking about our lives in Australia, and just enjoying the local flavors together. It makes the distance from our families feel a little shorter. And of course, we always share about our secret skincare routine.
But no, similar thing is and can I also get there's nice ones around it.
So this is very good.
She's got the pandasal.
Yeah.
My fellow crew got curious about kare-kare, so I made them try it.
Ang kagandahan dito sa Dusit Tani, meron palang shuttle service papunta sa mga shopping mall at kung saan-saan pang establishments. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-Uber or mag-Grab. Late na kami nag-arrive dito from our flight. Hindi na ako umabot. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko na lang, magpapahinga ako, I'll take a shower, nag-dinner na kami. Guess what? Ang kinain ko kare-kare. Oh my gosh. Weirdo ako sa feeling ko ngayon kasi nasa Cebu ako and ang pamilya ko nasa Maynila. Medyo nalulungkot ako nung nalaman kong lilipad ako dito. Kaya lang hindi ako allowed na humiwalay sa crew. Dapat ang distance ko lang nasa 100 kilometers lang ang layo ko. Hindi ako pwedeng umalis. Pag ganun din, hihiwalay ka, kailangan mo magpaalam kay Captain para alam niya kung nasan ka. It's already 11:25 p.m. Brisbane time. Ngayon, 9:25 p.m. pa lang sa Cebu. And yeah, I think yung body clock ko tomorrow maaga niya akong gigisingin. Hindi ko kailangan mag-alarm, pero gusto ko rin mag-alarm kasi kailangan kong pumunta sa shops dahil ito ang aking luggage. Empty siya nang naglanding dito. And pag uwi ko ng Brisbane, maraming laman na to. So ito yung dala-dala ko, guys. Una, yung hard shell ang inampake ko. Sabi ko, nako, ano na lang, ito kasi baka nga masira yung hard shell kasi empty siya. So, ito na lang. Reliable. Sarap ng pagkain kanina. Uminom ako ng buko juice. Namimiss ko yung family ko kasi ang layo ko. Nasa Pilipinas ako pero wala sila dito. Hayaan nyo, sa susunod sa Manila naman yung flight ko. But I will tour you around Dusitani Hotel. This is in Mactan, Cebu. And enjoy yung aking mini vlog dito sa aking layover.
60 odd miles from a plan.
Fresh lumpia ba to?
Yes po, ma'am, na gulay.
Wow, tapos ube pandesal. Sige, mamaya babalikan ko. Ang mga Filipino... Oh, what's this? Champurrado. Oh my God. Champurrado. Puto maya, pandesal. Tinolang baboy, ha? Tinolang baboy? Ah, that's new. Pansit gisado. Tusino. Okay, ang palaya. Yan, dumating na yung omelette ko, guys. Alright. Tell na hindi siya yung omelette na instant because ganyan yung pagkakaluto niya. Meron akong lumot at saka hot choco. Ang bilis ng serving. Andito tayo sa Dusit Tani Hotel Breakfast Buffet. Ayan. Tapos ito yung options. Nag-order ako ng scrambled egg. Tapos this is the buffet. Oh, may taho! Oh my gosh! Taho! Oh my gosh, taho! Taho! Nako. Hello, good morning. Natulog po ba kayo? Parang hindi kayo natulog, ha? Nandito uli kayo. Tapos may taho. Dadaan naman siya mamaya dito. Ay, okay. Thank you po. Thank you. Ayan. Sabi ko sa kanya, parang hindi siya natulog. Nakita ko siya kagabi. Okay, guys. Bago ako magpunta dyan mamaya, O-order muna tayo ng taho. And then, this is my hot choco. Tingnan natin. Oh my God. Ang sarap. Ano siya, yung legit na hot chocolate ng Pilipinas, yung tableta. Ang sarap. Asan na si Manong Taho? Tapos, ayun yung ocean view. Oh my gosh. Where's the ocean? Ocean. Mamaya, ikot tayo doon. I had tocino, talong, daeng, ampalaya with my egg. And then, this is what they call puto maya. So, first time kong kakain ng puto maya. Tingnan natin kung ano siya. Alam niyo, nung bata tayong gaya-gaya puto maya. Ito yun eh. So, it's sticky rice. Sarap ha? Matamis siya. Parang may coconut. Yung pala yung puto maya. Gusto ko subukan sana yung kape ulit ng Pilipinas. Kaso, hindi ako makatulog mamaya sa hapon. Ayan! Bagay ka. Ay, teka lang, yung plato ko pala. Thank you! Thank you! Hello, good morning. I thought you were here earlier, but it was closed.
I didn't come here.
Ah. So, I have this lumpia. Tignan natin. Oh my gosh. This is vegetable lumpia. Ooh. Yum, 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 yum. Good morning, magtataho. Kuya Jade, pangalan mo. Wow, nakakamiss nung narinig ko. So, may taho. Wow, ang cute naman ng... Ngayon lang, ang pinakahuli... Okay ka lang sinifilm ko? Yeah. Ang huling kain ko, siguro mga 30 years ago.
Tagal na po.
Oo, wow. Ayan ang taho. Kalahati lang.
Sige po.
Ayan, wow. Thank you. Ang exclusive na magtataho ng Dusit Hotel.
Damihan ko po.
Sige, adik ako sa Arnibal. Thank you. Ayan. Salamat. Salamat. Thank you. Ito ang taho ng Pilipinas. So, this is tofu, silken tofu. Oh my gosh. Na-miss ko to. Taho ng Pilipinas. Okay, kainin natin. Ay, may pakpak si ate sa ulo. Marley.
I would like to get your signature po.
Signature lang? O yung ibang, iba lahat na may check, no?
Yes po. You can give us your view or comments at Trip Advisory.
Yeah.
I'm a student intern here. Yes po. From Mindanao po.
Oh, ano ka? Tourism student?
HM po.
Yeah.
You can mention my name po.
Sige. Certainly gagawin ko yan. Dito kami lagi. Pero first time ko ngayon. Pero yung airline namin kasi, dito parate.
Thank you so much po. Irish po.
Irish. Thank you.
Enjoy your food po.
Yeah, thank you. Ang sarap. Na-miss ko to. Ilang taon na. Nasamid ako. Sarap. Familiar?
When I thought that the FO was driving, because he was in that seat, I was
Yeah. Okay. Yes, that's empty kasi I'm buying a lot of stuff from the grocery here. Di ba ang bigat?
Okay, now how do we go?
Okay, just follow me, okay? Hang on. I don't know how to cross now. Right, let's follow this girl. Ate, sama kami sa'yo, ate. Hang on.
holy shit.
Thank you.
And we are off to my mission Pasalubong. Pasalubong is a Filipino tradition of bringing home gifts or treats for family and friends after traveling. It is a thoughtful way of sharing your journey, often through local delicacies, souvenirs, or small snacks from another place.
Yan. Look. Durian special. June 30, 2026 expiration. Oh my gosh. I don't know kung aabot to sa'yo, but we'll see. What is this? Sakura scented. Guyabano. Kung mahaba-haba lang ang layover ko, kumain ako niyan. Guyabano. Oh. Hi guys. This is the actual durian fruit. It smells really good to me. And this is yummy. I love durian. Dunkin' Donuts. I miss this. Alright guys, let's go inside Dunkin' Donuts. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I miss the smell. Hello. Shot time. Taro na lang. Pinakamalamig kuya ka na magagawa mo. I think we finished all our Dunkin' and then yeah, you got your Dunkin'. What did you have? Like a sandwich?
No, I literally had a donut, but I just ate it. You didn't get your little oh no, it was extra.
Yeah, I didn't. Chinese New Year. nice to be back. Alright, dito na kami. Oh. Aha. Alright. Let's go. Sige, buhatin mo. Maramdaman mo yung pinagkaiba. O, diba? Thank you, Kuya. Kuya Jack.
You can take the girl out of the Philippines, but you can't take the pasalubong culture out of me. I'm stocking up on everything I've missed. Packing this suitcase feels like I'm packing a piece of home to take back to Australia with me. Mission pasalubong complete.
So guys, di na ako makatulog. Inom na lang ako ng tea. Kumain ako ng snacks na nabili ko. And then, shower na ako.
This is an emotional video to edit. Leaving is always the hardest part of being a flight attendant, especially when it's home. But I'm leaving Cebu with a full suitcase and an even fuller heart. I realized today that no matter how far I fly, my heart will always have a place to land. And my heart, of course, will always long for my countryland. Mabuhay Pilipinas, mahal kita. So, to all of you supporting my channel, thank you. Sa lahat ng kababayan ko, maraming salamat. Stay safe everyone. Stay inspired. Soar high. And I'll see you on the next flight.